Imagine you making a promise to your friends, and 20 years exactly after 20 years he came to meet you, and suddenly you said you are under arrested. Then what happened? So today's story is after 20 years, written by O Henry. So let's begin. This story start in the winter season in the New York City. In exactly 10 o'clock, a policeman patrolling in the road, and he walks smartly, and no one can, few viewers are in this road, but he seems like a responsibility he seems like a responsibility of policeman, and he walked smartly on the road, and he is patrolling. He played with his small stick and roll roll stick, and he walked through the roads, and his eyes are moving around the road. All shops are closed, few shops are open, like a tailoring shop. They are finished, they are days work, that's why their open was open. Otherwise all shops are closed were closed. Then he walked sometimes, then he suddenly saw a cigar store lightning. He went to cigar store, then he saw a a tall man stand stand here. Then the man said, "No, officer, there is no problem. It's okay." Because the the man seems like a suspicious. He wear a nice jacket, and this is the 10 o'clock, and the policeman observed he is not seems like the New York City. He he wear a nice cloth, nice watch, and he is looking like a very rich man. Then that person said, "Officer, I am waiting for my friend. I was waiting for my friend." Then the policeman said, "This is the 20 years back promised," said the man. Then the policeman said, "This is interesting." Then the man said, "Ki maybe it seems like uh, not I am joking to you, but this is I will explain you." So right now in this hardware shop in cigar store right now here, few exactly 20 years ago, there were a restaurant called, the restaurant name is Body Restaurant, and my best I was eating with my best friend James Well. We were both eating in this uh, restaurant, and that day was my last day in this New York City, and I went another city for my career, for earning money. But my friend, he was does not go to outside of the New York City. So we decided that day ki we will meet after 20 years. That is the reason कि I came thousands miles away from New York City to meet my friend in front of this door, said the gentleman. And the policeman said, yeah, this is interesting, pretty sounds good. Then the policeman said, yeah, but in this time also friends making promise and fulfill it is tough, they said. Okay, this is the 10 o'clock and my patrolling time is, this is my patrolling time, so I'm not talking to with you long time, so I am going, so I was going to, sir, bye bye, your best of luck to you and your friends, you were meet, said like that. And the policeman went. Then in a twist, guys, while talking with the policeman, the man light the man started smoking, and he is also light her cigar, and he is smoking. That time the policeman was saw her face clearly, and he moved. Then the policeman when started going, he moved here and there and tried waiting. After few minutes, a man came with a white coat and said, Bob, you are Bob. Then he said, Jameswell. The man there was stand, the name is Bob, and now he is meeting James. So they are meeting each other, they hug each other, and they handshake, and they talked each other. And they are, you know, the moment you saw your friend after 20 years, what is the moment? I'm not explain to you, you can imagine. So they are meeting each other, they are tears come in eyes, and they meet. Then after then they are walking in the road. So they went in a medical shop. There was a light. He realized ki, the Bob realized ki this is not jam. He said ki 20 years very long time, but not very long ki, does not very long ki any person face change. Maybe your height is increased, but your face doesn't change. And maybe a good person become a bad person, but it is not a key completely anyone face change. Tell me, who are you? You are not James. Tell me, who are you? You are not James. Then the James said, yes, I am not James. You are under arrest before 10 minutes, said the man. You are under arrest before 10 minutes. And he introduced himself. I am the Commissioner of Police of New York. I am the Police of Commissioner of New York. Then Bob shocked. He don't understand ki what happened with her, what happened with his. He never understood ki what happened with him. Then the policeman said, the Commissioner of Police said ki, how you, the Bob said ki, how you know ki I am here and you can catch me. Then the policeman bring brought a note and give to him his hand and said, this is the note for you, you can read right now, you are read. The In the note written was, I was I was meeting with you. I have appointed and I came to meet you exactly 10 o'clock. I am the same policeman. I am the same policeman who meets before you. When you light your cigar, I saw your face. And I remember your face. You are the most wanted criminal in right now in Chicago town. I am not able to hand arrested to you. You are my best friend, so I am not able to under arrest. So I went back and I told my police staff to catch to you. Written in the thank you, I am James Well. Bob tried to crying, not crying, but in the Bob eyes tears fall. He thought, Bob, you did not quit your right path. You never changed. You always, since childhood, you are living with truthful and you are in the right path. I am happy. I was happy. You, at least you came to meet me. I am so happy, said the Bob. And they both are the police, the commissioner of police and the Bob. They were went on jail. This is the story ending now. This is the end of the story. So in this story said na, every starting is not good, every ending is not in a good manner. So this was a story, and this story was written by O. Henry, and the most of the story of O. Henry in the twist, and in this story one twist, a close friend, a best friend, he arrested her close friend. In this story we learn from the duty, the devotion of the duty, he never quit. So devotion of the duty, he can never said ki this is my true friend, this is my best friend, and I go him to go and he don't tell the police. He choose the honesty and the right path, and he told about her friends and catched him. So this story is ending now. So I am trying to tell story. This is my second time, so if I make any mistake, so please forgive me, and we will meet in the next video with another story. Bye bye.